Do you also want to automate your customers' chats on the WhatsApp? Then I have bought this automation for you. So now let's see the working. So here I'm going to send a message to my business number, which is saved here as my test number. So here I have entered this message, that is hello. And as I have provided this message, I'm getting this welcome message with two buttons, that is book appointment and ask questions. So here I have created this WhatsApp chatbot for my clinic or hospital business, but you can modify it according to the business you are running. So here I'm going to select this button, that is book appointment. And this WhatsApp chatbot is going to be a multitasking chatbot, means it is going to save the data of the leads to the Google Sheet, respond to all your customer queries over the WhatsApp. So this is all the tasks which are going to perform today by this WhatsApp chatbot. So now let's open this list and check out some of the departments for which I want to book the appointment. So here I'm going to select this first option of general physician, and as I have selected the department, I'm getting a message which is asking me to enter my appointment date. So here I'm going to enter my appointment date as 21st May 2026. So now let me just type it and enter it. And as I have provided my appointment date, I'm getting a message which is asking me to enter my preferred timing. So here I'm going to enter my preferred timing as 12 p.m. So here I'm going to just enter it, and as I have provided my preferred timing, I'm getting a message which is asking me to enter my full name. So here I'm going to enter my full name as demo user. So here I have provided it, and as I have provided my full name, I'm getting a message which is asking me to enter my gender. So here I will be entering my gender as female. So here I have entered it, and as I have provided my gender, I'm getting a message which is asking me to enter my age. So here I'm going to enter my age as 21, and as I have provided my age, I'm getting an appointment confirmation message which says your appointment is confirmed successfully, and here I'm getting all my appointment details. So by looking at this message, you can see that I'm getting the personalized message consisting the same date, same timing, which I have recently entered over this WhatsApp chatbot. And now let's move on towards my Google Sheet to check whether we are receiving the details of this particular appointment or not. So right here I'm on my Google Sheet named as appointment data, where you can check out all the details such as full name, department, appointment date, timing, age and the gender, which is recently filled by my user on my WhatsApp. So now you have seen the first task of this WhatsApp chatbot, that is saving the data. Now let's move on towards my WhatsApp again, and here I'm going to select this button, that is ask questions. So I have assigned this button to my AI assistant, which is going to resolve all my customer queries. And here I'm getting this welcome message, and here I'm going to enter a random question and check whether this AI assistant responds to my query or not. So here I'm going to enter this message, that is, can I get lab test done at the clinic? Now let's wait for the response of my AI assistant. And here you can check out that I'm getting the answer of my question. Now let's enter another question, that is, will my medical information remain confidential? Now let's wait for the response. And here I am getting this message by my AI assistant, which is resolving all my queries. So now you have seen this WhatsApp chatbot which is performing multiple tasks at the same time. So now you don't have to do anything manually, whether it's asking for the details, saving the data of the leads or the appointment, or resolving the queries of your customers. And you can modify it according to the business you are running. And now you might be thinking how this AI assistant was responding according to my business. So it is doing so because I have provided a knowledge base to this particular AI assistant. So knowledge base is basically a document containing the details of the business, and this basically acts as a brain for your AI assistant. So what you write here is provided by your AI assistant to your customers, and this is going to resolve all the customer queries. So now you have seen how this amazing WhatsApp chatbot is working, and now let's see how it is going to be created by using an amazing automation tool, that is Pabbly Chatflow. And for that, let's move on towards the flow page of Pabbly Chatflow. So right here you can see I'm on the flow page of Pabbly Chatflow, which is the most important window for creating this automation or this WhatsApp chatbot. And right here I have created this WhatsApp chatbot. So if you are an existing user, then you definitely know how to get onto this page. But if you are a new user to the Pabbly Chatflow, then you have to access it by opening the new tab and typing its URL, that is pabbly.com/chatflow. And once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly, where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging your account over the Pabbly Chatflow first first time, then you can just click over this sign up free. And if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Chatflow, you get 100 free credits every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Chatflow. Means you are getting a chance for testing this automation or this WhatsApp chatbot for freely inside Pabbly Chatflow. And if you are an existing user like me, then you can just click over this sign in. And if you like this automation and want to create it for your business too, then I have bought this amazing offer for you. So right on the screen you can see this discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use this discount coupon code before buying any of our Pabbly product. But I will suggest you to firstly try out our Pabbly Chatflow, Pabbly Connect and many more amazing applications provided by Pabbly, and afterwards you can proceed towards the subscription plans. Now let's move on towards the flow page, where you have to add your WhatsApp number with the Pabbly Chatflow account. And if you want to learn this entire process, then you can check the video given on the description. And I have provided this flow the name, create a fully automated WhatsApp chatbot in minutes. And right on the flow page we are getting this option for trigger. So trigger is the event which initiate our WhatsApp chatbot, and this trigger event can be keyword or the regex entered by your users, or if your user starts the conversation, and many more. But here I am going to keep it as keyword regex match. Now you might be wondering, what is this keyword and regex? So keywords are the words which initiate your WhatsApp chatbot. So right here I have initiated this WhatsApp chatbot by entering this keyword, that is hello. So here you can see in my WhatsApp, where we have recently tested it, we have initiated it by entering this message, that is hello. So this is the same keyword which I have entered over here. And afterwards we are getting this option for regex. So regex is used for the advanced user input, and its full form is regular expressions. And here on the sidebar you can check out these messages and action blocks, which you can think is main building block for creating this WhatsApp chatbot flow. So you can drag any of these blocks and create the flow for your WhatsApp chatbot. Now if my user sends me a message, I'm going to send them a welcome message, and for that I have to use text button node, which you can get by drag or drop, or you can select it from this message block too. And here I have created two buttons, that is book appointment and ask question, by simply selecting this add button. And afterwards I have provided the list of the departments for which my user can book the appointment. And right here I have added only 3 items, but you can add many more items or many more services to your list. And I have got this list node in this message block too. And afterwards I have provided contact custom field to all these list items. And I did it because I want to get the department which my user has selected. So for providing the contact custom field, you just have to move over the actions, where you will see this node, that is set custom field. And now you might be thinking, what is this contact custom field? So you can think of contact custom field as a particular column which consists of the particular data. So right here I have selected my contact custom field, that is department. Means this particular contact custom field is going to consist of the department selected by my user. And for creating your own contact custom field, you just have to move over the settings, where you will see this option of contact custom fields, and you will be landed to the contact custom fields page, which I have already opened, where you can create your own contact custom field by simply selecting this add more field button. And afterwards I have entered some questions for my customer or the user for booking the appointment, and I have got this question node over the action block. So right here you can see that we are getting this question node, by using which I have entered some question asking for the appointment date, preferred timing, full name, gender, age. And now if my user provides me answer of all these questions, I want to save the data over my Google Sheet. And for that I have used this node, that is API request, by using which I am going to connect my Pabbly Connect with Pabbly Chatflow. So now you might be thinking, what is this Pabbly Connect? So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation tool provided by Pabbly, which help you to integrate thousands of applications and automate your business. So right here on the Pabbly Connect you can see I have already integrated Pabbly Chatflow with the Google Sheet. So here, as soon as I will receive the data over my Pabbly Chatflow, which I have connected by using this webhook URL, the data will be automatically sent to the Google Sheet, and the data will be saved over my preferred Google Sheet, which I have selected over here. And here I have connected this Pabbly Chatflow by using this webhook URL. So on my node, that is API request, you can see I have entered this webhook URL which is connecting my Pabbly Chatflow with the Pabbly Connect. And here I have entered all these parameters for which I want to save the data. And here I have selected my contact custom field which will consist of the data selected or provided by my user. And this is the simple process for saving the data over the Google Sheet by using a WhatsApp chatbot. And at last, I have provided the status fallback, means the final message which I am going to send to my user. And here I have entered these variables, that is $date and $time slot, which will help me to send personalized messages, as these are the contact custom field with this $sign. And now afterwards, for the second button, that is ask questions, I have integrated or assigned AI assistant to this particular button. So here you can see we are getting this note, that is assign AI assistant, by using which I have assigned AI assistant to the particular button. And here I have selected the AI assistant which I have created over my Pabbly Chatflow account. So you can also create an AI assistant over your Pabbly Chatflow, and for that you just have to click over this AI assistant and you will be landed to the page where you can create your own AI assistant. And if you want to learn this entire process, then you can find video link in the description given below. And here I'm getting this option for selecting how I want to start my AI assistant. So I wanted my AI assistant to start with a welcome message. So here I have selected it, and afterwards I have entered this welcome message which I want to send to my user or the customer. So this is the amazing WhatsApp chatbot by using which you can automate the entire conversations with your clients or customers. And now don't forget to save this flow by simply selecting this save button. And right here I have got this pop-up which means our flow has been updated and saved successfully. So now what are you waiting for? Automate the entire conversations with your customers and save up a lot of your time. And now just focus on growth of your business, because Pabbly is there for you for automating your entire task. And I have provided the link of the flow which I have recently created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And if you face any doubts or challenges, then don't forget to mention it in the comment section, and make sure to use the coupon code STUYT before buying any of our Pabbly product. So thank you for watching this video.
And not only this chatbot, you can build many more amazing chatbots like this by just using Pabbly Chatflow. So if you want to learn more about the pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then hit the like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.